Hi, I'm Leia. This is Chantel, and we're going to have a burping contest. And you can be the judge. You go first.
Then you gotta go first.
Go. Okay.
It takes a long time.
Go. Shake your belly. You're shaking the camera, Chica. Your turn.
I lost.
No, wait, you gotta go.
There ain't nothing coming.
Hurry. Go, Chantel, go. So you gotta breathe in, you gotta go. Come on, Chantel, go. Go. You gotta bend down. It's okay. Come on, Chantel.
I can't do it.
Out. Look. Now you open your mouth like you're about to throw up, and you suck in. Okay, ready?